welcome you all to this session, Measurement and Timings of Revenue. In the previous session, we have already discussed about measurement of revenue. In this video, I will share some insights regarding the timings of revenue recognition. Learning objectives. By attending this session, the students will understand measurement and timings of revenue, methods of revenue recognition, and few updates on revenue recognition methods. Revenue recognition is mainly concerned with the timings of recognition of revenue in the income statement of an enterprise. Organizations must account for their revenues in a specific way. Revenue recognition is an most important GAAP, that is, generally accepted accounting principle, that explains how and when revenue is to be recognized by any organization. The Revenue Recognition Standard ASC 606 provides uniform framework for recognizing revenue from contracts with the customers. ASC 606, that is Accounting Standard Codification 606, specifies the accounting treatment for all revenue arising from the contract with the customers. ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಅಥವಾ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಗುರುತಿಸುವಿಕೆಯು ಅಂಗೀಕರಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪರಿಶೋಧಕ ತತ್ವವಾಗಿದೆ. GAAP ಅಂದರೆ ಜನರಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ಇದು ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಅಥವಾ ವರಮಾನವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವಾಗ ಗುರುತಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಂಬುದು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ತತ್ವವು ಮುಂದುವರೆದು ಆದಾಯದ ಗುರುತಿಸುವಿಕೆ ಮಾನದಂಡ ASC 606 ಗ್ರಾಹಕರೊಂದಿಗಿನ ಒಪ್ಪಂದಗಳಿಂದ ಆದಾಯವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಲು ಏಕರೂಪದ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಹಲವಾರು ವಿಧಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ರೆವಿನ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಬಹುದು. There are several revenue recognition methods that may be used. One is sales basis method, percentage of completion method, completed contract method, cost recoverability method, installment method, finally updated revenue recognition method. Sales basis method. Under this method, revenue is recorded at the time of sale when the buyer acquires the right of ownership of the commodity. ಈ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸರಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವೆಗಳು ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಖರೀದಿದಾರನು ಆ ಸರಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವೆಗಳ ಮಾಲೀಕತ್ವದ ಹಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಸರಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವೆಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಆದಾಯವನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ದೀರ್ಘಕಾಲೀನ ಒಪ್ಪಂದಗಳಿಗೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಿಧಾನ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸೂಕ್ತವಾದುದಾಗಿದೆ. Percentage completion method. This method is typically used in the long-term projects. Firms that provide construction services, engineering services, or other long-term projects are most likely to use this method. But when the percentage completion method of recognition of revenue is unable to meet the revenue recognition criteria, completed contract method is used. Completed contract method. Under this method, revenue is recognized only when the project is complete and the contract is fulfilled. This method applies to both revenue recognition and for recognizing expenses as well. This revenue recognition method is used only when the percentage completion method cannot be applied to recognize revenue. ಯೋಜನೆಯು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಒಪ್ಪಂದವನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಿದ ನಂತರವೇ ಆದಾಯವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುವ ವಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಎನ್ನುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಪೂರೈಕೆಯ ಶೇಕಡಾವಾರು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗದಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅನುಸರಿಸಲಾಗುವುದು. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಈ ಎರಡೂ ವಿಧಾನಗಳಿಗೂ ಭಿನ್ನವಾದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಧಾನವೆಂದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಕವರಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಮೆಥಡ್. Cost recoverability method. This method takes a complete different approach to revenue recognition. Under this method, revenue is recognized only when the entire project cost is recovered. The next method of recognizing revenue is installment method. Under this method, revenue is recorded only once the organization receives payment. For example, if a car is sold for rupees 5 lakh on installment plan, the revenue from that sale is recognized only when the payment is received by the business firm. If rupees 1 lakh advance payment is made, rupees 1 lakh revenue is recorded at the time of receipt. In the later part, revenue is recorded when the subsequent payment is made by the customer. Updated revenue recognition method. The standard for revenue recognition was updated in May 2014. Financial Accounting Standard Board (FASB) has issued Accounting Standard Update number 2014-09 addressing revenue from contracts with the customers. This updated standard will likely to touch all organizations, specifically those organizations with the business operations driven by the customer contracts will see the greatest impact. In this session, I have briefly explained the method of revenue recognition, that is sales basis method, percentage of completion method, completed contract method, installment method, as well as the recent updates on the revenue recognition methods. For more updates regarding revenue recognition, you can visit the following websites and refer the related books mentioned here.